A causes B. The word cause itself has a long list of synonyms, so which one to use? In which situation? Confusing words, when and how to use them. Welcome to my channel, iMovie. Today, we're going to talk about how to describe cause and effect. In this video, we're going to focus on the verb cause. Also, I'm going to show you the limitation of this word, which is the reason I make this video to help you to describe causation in your professional writing. So be sure to stay till the end of the video. They are interchangeable with one another. However, the word cause is usually followed by a negative effect or a negative outcome, usually something unexpected or unpleasant. While the other three are rather neutral. If the word cause is used to indicate positive things, it'd be like causing improvement, causing positive changes, causing muscle gain, causing development. You may notice they sound unnatural with errors. And these are the circumstances where the verb cause is incompatible to fit in. Just so you know, whatever that follows after them tend to be of negative meaning, like causing problem, causing disease, causing illness, and whatnot. With this limitation, we need a better word to replace it. To fill in the blank here, bring about is actually good fit. The blue boxes indicate positive outcome for what follows after, like development, extensive changes, a sense of security and belonging, and peace. While the black box indicate negative outcome, that is self-destruction. You can pause the video to have a better look of the example. Bring about is like a magical synonym. It fits into almost every situation to replace the word cause, indicating both the good things and the bad things. Prompt means to cause an action or reaction. If something prompts you to do something, it means it makes you do something or it makes you react in a certain way accordingly. Sentence example. Global recession prompts the banks to cut down interest rates. The president's speech prompts speculation about the imminent election date. Induce is another way of saying cause or initiate to make it sound more technical. This word commonly appears in science language, medical language, or any form of technical language. Sentence example. The drugs induce drowsiness, changes in nervous systems, and hallucinations. Ocean interacts with solar energy to induce variations in climate. So you can see, they're just another way of saying cause in a technical manner. Provoke means you cause an anger in a person or animal, then you have an angry response. Set off means you start off something like an explosion, like fire, like bomb, because something that is set off is hard to contain. Trigger means you cause an action or reaction to happen very quick, like a gunfire. Sentence example. The brutal killing of an innocent black man provokes an international outcry. The murder of George Floyd has triggered mass protests in the United States and many parts of the world. So you can see these three words, they can be interchangeable with one another to describe riot, protest, or any form of angry response. Well, next I'm going to talk about the synonyms that have a more specific use in a certain situation, because those words, they tend to happen together. Wreak havoc, they always come together to mean causing severe damage, disruption, or disorder. For example, the pandemic wreaked havoc on the global economy. Precipitate, if things precipitate, the effect grows quickly, like accelerating. The word precipitate is usually followed by crisis or disaster, sometimes medical symptoms like heart attack or something acute. Sentence example. Trump's ignorance precipitates a political, economic, and public health crisis unlike anything we've experienced before. Breed something usually means causing an attitude or perception to take form gradually, like growing a plant or breeding an animal. It takes time. The word breed is usually followed by attitude, perception like resentment, racism, contempt, hatred, arrogance, distrust, self-confidence, or anything that has to do with ideas, attitude, or perception. For example, favoritism and double standards breed resentment among the employees. If your intention is to put a blame on someone in the sense that they caused something to happen, in formal writing, you need this word. Account for has three meanings. The first meaning is to take a proportion of, usually in percentage or figure. The second meaning is to explain or to justify. The third meaning is what we're talking about. That is to be responsible for something that happened or be the reason for something that happened. Sentence example. One wrong president accounts for 100,000 of deaths. The Prime Minister must account for the cabinet reshuffle as he resigned irresponsibly. It can be understood as be responsible for. This is the summary of the entire content. You can pause the video and check this out. These are my references where I get some of the sentence example. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. If you like my content, press the like button, share it. If you find it useful, if you got further questions or feedback, drop it down in the comment section below. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Why are you walking away? Baby, lost your tongue somewhere, don't know what to say.